in Southern California. I love Megan, I loved her course, and hopefully I get to do it in the future again because there's so much more to learn and experiment with. So yeah, thank you, babe.
I did my makeup this morning within 10 minutes, and I did it while he was falling asleep for his first nap so that I could then go and take advantage of the rest of the morning while he was napping.
She provided real-time feedback to us, which was really fun.
She really knows how to break down really complicated topics like smoky eyes into simple step-by-step instructions so that anybody can do it.
I definitely was so ready to take this class. I was so happy to get started and to learn. I will say this class itself is very solid. So Megan has produced some top quality content. And you know, as my husband said, this class is the best thing that has happened to us.
Megan's teachings apply to actors, models, professionals, and now if I get asked to be camera ready, I'm fully confident I have the skills.
Megan, thank you for sharing your tricks.
She's so supportive. There's so much information in there, and she's just there to help guide you each step of the way.
Because of Megan and the Bold Beauty Method, I have changed everything.
I have to absolutely say it changed my life.
Very detailed and comprehensive content.
I learned so much taking the Bold Beauty Method class with Megan. It was transformative. Thank you so much, Megan, for teaching us so many actionable tips during the Bold Beauty Method. It was really amazing. I learned so many techniques each week.